You are watching a master at work.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to do an install on an 8th gen Civic Si. LED headlights, flux beam cores. So I'm going to open them up here for you. Alright, so we got here quick start guide for the core. Basically, you just apply which kit you have. Obviously, simple pull and twist and pull your original bulb out. Blah blah blah. Make sure you have access to your headlights. Make sure they're for your car. So polarity flip adapters for there. This is for the Civic. So basically, here's one bulb. It's a dual LED. You need to put the ECM capacitor polarity flip adapters in on these to adapt your factory system. Basically, that is these inline pieces here that go to your factory headlight connector and go and adapt to the LED pieces. There's two of those. And then they have the polarity adapters for the actual, I don't know if it's a universal kit. I bought it off of eBay, but pretty sure these are 9006 bulbs is what it looks like. 9006. So let me read on here. The 9006. Okay, so yeah, it is just universal. It says all kits come with these. So basically you just put the LED driver in and then you plug the adapter in for the plug with the capacitor. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so what you want to do is get some light. And then I'm going to do the passenger side because it looks like the easiest to begin with here. So yeah, your ABS module's in the way. Hopefully I can take that out with my hands. So we'll see. So what I'm going to do is take this plastic cover off just to be safe here. Set the hole right here.
Beat by block.
Alright, so I figured out how to get the headlight bulb out. Basically, you need to remove the fender liner screw. And then there's going to be a body clip in here, which mine's gone, but you can just pull it back and the headlight's right in there. So I'm going to do an old bulb and new bulb comparison. As you can see, way better light output with the LED. Pretty good beam. 34 bucks, it's not bad. So yeah, once you get all that back together, just kind of zip tie the bulb harness and stuff up so it doesn't get chewed in your belts. Alright, so we're gonna see what the light output is now. So that's how it looks. I give these an A for grade. These OPT7 flux beam cores, pretty good. 34 bucks on eBay. You might probably have to adjust your headlight up or down or left and right type of thing. So just look up your original equipment manufacturing adjustment specs based on your headlights of your vehicle, and yeah, so thanks for watching.